Good morning, internet! 2 hours 40 for today. Let's go, Mark.
Let's go!
Yee. Two hours to go. Yes! Meron akong takbo thought. Ano? Gusto ko ma-inspire yung mga ka-age natin. Aminin natin, matanda na tayo. Yes. We're in our mid-40s, tama? Ayaw pa aminin yung saktong age no? Pero, yun lang, for the people or the people that's watching right now, gusto namin ma-inspire din kayo sa ginagawa namin. Very healthy to, di ba, Mark?
Iwas maintenance.
Iwas maintenance, mahal ang maintenance, di ba? So, mahal mag-hospital.
Yes.
Live healthy, eat healthy. Pwede na akong mag-junk Paminsan-minsan. Diba? Susunugin mo rin naman. Basta susunugin mo.
In moderation lang.
Right? Diba? Takbo thought. Halfway mark, 120. How you feeling, Mark? Nooks. Okay, diba? Uy, natawagan mo. Jacob?
Jacob.
Tawagan natin mamaya.
Tulog pa eh.
Tulog pa. May shadow na. Mainit na. Last hour. Okay ka pa, Mert? Last hour, di ba? Parang wala lang.
Panis.
Panis, nakukuha sa kwentuhan. Last 40. 2 hours.
16K.
16K, Mart. Tama?
Yes.
Ah, ano na lang to? Breeze na lang to. Again,
40.
takbo thought ha. We are trying to inspire yung mga dads like us, our age, but we're also inspiring the young ones.
Yes.
Diba? Yung mga young ones, para at least alam nyo, health is wealth. Basic. $21K 240. Tama, Mart, no? UP. Okay ka, Mart?
Yes.
Sarap. Good job. Bacon, laing. Ano to, Mart?
Big tapa.
Big tapa. Gutom ang mga runners. So, Mart, busog ka? Bacon, laing, longani, longga?
Big tapa.
Big tapa pala. So, Rodix. Go to, pagkatas tumakbo, syempre. Okay, so recap. One short run, tama? One short run tayo. Yun yung bad trip na takbo natin. Wednesday. Migraine ako. Ikaw, feeling mo mabigat?
Wala, taas ng heart rate ko. Pagod. Ano siya eh, 60 minutes. Dalawa kasi this week. Isang cross-train. Actually, pwedeng rest. And then, no Wednesday na 60 minutes tayo.
60 minutes.
Kasi ito yung long run, which is 2 hours 40. Naka 21K din kami.
21K, solid din, di ba? Mas maganda pa to kaysa dun sa AIA na sinalihan natin. Siguro dahil well-rested. Hindi puyat, yes. Number 1, hydrated. Almost every 5, 10K. Every 5K yata, hydrated tayo eh. So, malaking bagay.
Saka ano yun eh. Sobrang humid nung panahon na yun. Ngayon malamig.
It was a good weather also. Ewan ko, sana maganda yung audio. Medyo tita-ish ang naririnig namin. Pero okay lang. Anyway, it was a good run. It was a good week. Konti na, parang dalawang long runs na lang ata, no, dun sa listahan natin. So,
Yeah, before TBR.
before TBR. Yes. So, next long run would be on the 24th. And then, 32 na. Sasalihan namin ulit na event. Running event.
Push namin yung sa December 24 lang. Siguro 25 to 27 km. And then, after nun, sundown na.
Sundown sessions. Oo, January yun.
January 24. 32 yun.
32K. Okay, so Weekend the Life, Mart. Wednesday, nanalo tayo. Nanalo Lasal. So, again, nandito kami sa UP doing our mission, Nooks. So, tomorrow is game time. We're hoping to go for the jugular, I hope. This is Coach Topic's first time na magkaroon na nanalo sa first game sa finals, tama?
Game 1.
So, tatawagan na ba natin, Mark? Calling it. So, I guess that's all. We're hoping for a good game, hoping for a good week. Alam ko, busy na kayo for the holidays. So, yung mga Christmas party nyo. Again, we're trying to inspire the titos and the titas na mga ka-age namin. Not just them, also the young ones. Yeah, yun yung ginagawa namin dito para at least something na wag tayong mapagastos in sa pagtanda or just to stay healthy.
Pawis lang.
Papawis lang, di ba? Alright, so I think that's all for now. Again, this is Escriva Rock. This is Mart.
Yeah.
He's calling it.